In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the currency in paper trading on TradingView. Whether you're new to TradingView or just looking to customize your paper trading setup, this tutorial will guide you through changing the currency quickly and easily. So, let's get started. First, we need to go to the TradingView website. If you haven't visited their site yet, just open your web browser and type in TradingView's URL. Once you've arrived on the main page, make sure you're logged into your account, as this will allow you to access your saved settings and charts effortlessly. Once logged in, the next step is to open your chart. If you're already familiar with navigating TradingView, this should be a breeze. Just head over to the chart section from the main interface. Often, there's an option to open the chart from a drop-down menu if you're not already viewing it. If this is your first time, you should see an option clear on the homepage or dashboard to jump straight into charts, so click on that and you'll be taken directly to your working chart interface. With your chart open, it's now time to access the settings. Look for the settings icon, typically symbolized by a gear or cogwheel. You'll find this on the upper right corner of the chart interface. Clicking on this will bring up a new window or overlay with a host of customizable options for your chart. Now, within this settings window, we want to focus on the section labeled Scales and Units. This section is crucial because it holds the key to changing the currency display you're using for paper trading. What you'll want to ensure is that options like Currency and Unit are set to Always Visible. Making it always visible ensures you can switch it easily anytime you wish. Once you've checked that, you'll find the currency selection itself. Here, you will see the current currency your chart is using, but there's the option to change it. A drop-down menu will usually be accessible here, which lets you choose from a variety of currencies to tailor it according to your preference or where you plan to use your trading strategy. Simply select the currency you wish to switch to, and just like that, your chart will update to reflect the new currency setting you have chosen. And that wraps it up. With just a few clicks, you've now customized your chart's currency in paper trading on TradingView. This change makes it easier to practice trading scenarios in the currency most relevant to your needs. Remember, these small customizations can greatly enhance your trading experience and help you stay organized and efficient. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more straightforward and useful trading tips.